Byron en Melissa Tanneraaien het onraad vermoed toe hulle by die huis kom en besef hulle oudste hondjie Chucky is sopnat. Chucky was veronderstel om veilig in die huis te wees, maar krinktelevisie-materiaal het hulle vermoedens bevestig. Chucky was eintlik in 'n verbeete stryd om net aan die lewe te bly.
So Chucky is actually 13 years old. So the fact that he was above water for over 30 minutes was amazing. And that was the heart-wrenching thing to see, is to know that he was struggling for so long.
And especially because we've seen him get weaker as he got older.
Dis toe Jessie se instink ingeskop het. Hy was by die DBV aangeneem en hierdie keer 'n ander lewe gered.
And then we see Jesse like running around frantically, not letting him go. Wherever he went, Jesse would follow him and stay with him. And it was a few times that she actually tried to pull him out, but I think the first couple of times she failed, and eventually she got him out and she put her paw on him and pulled him out.
Dit was vir hulle ouers traumaties om die beeldmateriaal te sien.
It was so difficult, even though we knew that Chucky was safe. Just watching that footage, it was so difficult to see it happen.
Yeah, it was not fun to see my little old man struggle so much. Like I couldn't finish it.
Hulle het nou 'n webtuiste geskep vir Jessie en Chucky waar mense skenkings kan maak wat aan die DBV in Boksburg sal gaan. Gerard Pretorius, 1 Nuus Boksburg.